Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making a resin crystal cluster, and I'm going to be using the floral epoxy from the Epoxy Resin store. I have made these on my channel previously, but I wanted to see if I could pour this in 2 layers, because I usually pour these in 3 or 4 different layers, and I wanted to see how the floral epoxy worked if I poured this in just 2 layers. So I went in with clear. I filled the mold up about 1/3 of the way full, and I'm just going in with a silicone paintbrush and scooping out bubbles that landed in any of the little crystal points on the mold here. And I did mix up my resin off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin, I will link my Milky Way coaster tutorial down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. I show you step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments. So there I was just adding on some iridescent mylar glitter, and that was it. I covered it up with an upside down storage container, let it dry for 48 hours. The floral epoxy does take longer to set up, so at 24 hours it is still gel. So this is 48 hours later, and I'm going in with Vivid Holo powder from Island Micas and More in teal, and I'm just brushing that all over the mold. And if you purchase this Vivid Holo, it comes with this applicator brush here. So I just went in and covered every single spot of that mold with that Vivid Holo, and now we're going to fill up the mold the rest of the way. I'm going to be using this black alcohol ink and black pearl pigment by Resin from Laura's Art Corner. I just mixed those two together into the floral epoxy, and we're going to fill up the mold. Super simple and easy. This project is so much fun to do, and it did turn out really nice in just 2 layers. The floral epoxy is a 3-to-1 ratio, and it's a really, really thin resin. It does take a little bit longer to set up though, so if you guys do try it and your projects are still gel at 24 hours, don't worry, at 48 hours they'll be set up. And I'll link the floral epoxy down below along with my coupon code if you guys want to try it out. And here I'm just kind of pushing the bubbles to the center with my little silicone paintbrush, sprayed it with some 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop those bubbles, and that was it. I'm going to cover it up with upside down storage containers so no dust or debris get in there while it's drying, and we're going to demold it. Here it is. This is actually 48 hours later. We're getting ready to pop it out of the mold. I did have some of that Vivid Holo kind of float up on the back of this piece. That's not too big of a deal to me, because, you know, it's the back. You're not really going to be seeing that. And I'll also link this mold down below in the description box if you guys want to give it a try. I'll link all the products I used down below in the description box along with any coupon codes that I have. But here's how it turned out. I think it turned out so pretty, and you can really see that Vivid Holo around the perimeter on the second layer that we poured. It's got a really, really pretty rainbow effect on some of those crystal points. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I really love making these crystals, and this one is listed in my Etsy shop. If anybody would be interested in purchasing it, I'll link my Etsy shop down below in the description box. They're so pretty for just decoration on like a shelf or an end table, or you could even set a ring on top of the crystal, and it kind of works as a ring holder. If you just set it on the counter, your ring would fit right on top there. But yeah, I just wanted to upload this really quickly to show you guys that that floral epoxy would work for deep casts like this if you poured it in only 2 layers. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye guys.